Hey there, fellow IELTS navigators. Today, we've got a quick but power-packed video for you. It's all about IELTS reading tips to boost your score. So, grab your notebooks because it's time to ace that IELTS reading section. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1 is a game changer: skim and scan. When you get the passages, don't dive in headfirst. Instead, quickly read the headings, subheadings, and the first and last sentences of each paragraph. This gives you an overview of what to expect. Tip 2. Keyword highlighting. As you read the questions, underline or circle keywords. These are the golden nuggets that lead you to the answers in the passage. Trust me, they're your best friends. Time management is key. Tip number 3. Divide your time wisely. Don't spend too much time on a single question. If you're stuck, move on and come back later. Remember, every question carries the same weight. Now, for the tricky part: true, false, not given questions. Tip 4. Beware of traps. Be careful with not given. If it's not in the passage, it's not given. Don't make assumptions. Last but not least, tip 6. Practice, practice, practice. Use IELTS practice tests to get comfortable with the format and timing. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. There you have it, folks. 6 quick and effective IELTS reading tips. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to work those reading muscles. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your IELTS reading experiences in the comments. Stay focused, stay positive, and you'll conquer that IELTS reading section like a champ. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.